Welcome to another Mickey's Roundtable Adventure, where we explore everything Disney, one themed adventure at a time. Today's adventure, well, not really a go out and do stuff adventure, but I got a new package. That's right. I'm going to do another box opening video. I've done a couple of these before, and this one is going to go with my Wall-E collection. You're not going to want to miss this intriguing Mickey's Roundtable Adventure. So if you've watched my other unboxing videos, unpackaging videos, they are for various props that I have in my set here. Watch those videos. I'll put links to them at the end of this video, and you can kind of see what my decorating style is if you can't tell from the big wide shot here. Basically, in a nutshell, it is the idea of if a character from Disney or Pixar came and visited me and they left and they forgot something, what did they leave behind? So that's the majority of what my decorations are. For example, if Wall-E came or Eve and they left something behind, they might leave a boot with a plant in it, or a Rubik's Cube, or a light bulb. So anyway, I wanted to add to this little collection here, and so I went to the website for Buy n Large.
Buy n Large is your superstore. You got all you need and so much more.
And I bought this. It came today, and so I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a real quick unboxing package opening video, and we'll show you what I got here to add to my Wall-E collection. You know, because before something can become trash and need to be sorted by a robot so that humanity can return to Earth, it has to be new. And so this is the new item that will someday be trash, but not today. It's going to be my new treasure. And, let's see here. But yeah, oh, look at that. It's right there. Why do they over-package things? So, well, here, we'll pretend like we're unpacking. No, that's not it. Oh, look at that. So this is what I bought for myself. I've been eyeing this for a while, but I wanted to save up some money and make sure I had enough money in the bank to afford this. That's not true. I'll look in the store once in a while or different places and never find them, and you have to buy it in a big box of a bunch of stuff. Anyway, can you see that? I bought myself a squirrel. Actually, that's kind of small, but that's actually good. So then that goes with my Wall-E collection, and these can go in the trash or the drawer, and maybe I'll use them. Anyway, yeah. So that's my addition to my Wall-E collection, and I'll put this on the shelf over here, and along with all of my other cool items. And so that's that's pretty good. That'll be my Christmas present to myself for this year. Anyway, if you like this video, if you watch the other videos and you like them too, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, leave a comment, question, whatnot. I'll try and get back to you if it's a question. And until next time, this has been another Mickey's Roundtable Adventure.